In front of me is Honor 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. First of all, in order to do that, you need to switch your current keyboard to Celia 1. In order to do that, go into App Gallery, download Celia keyboard and open it. Then hit Enable in Settings, click on the switcher next to it, and tap on Select Keyboard to tap on Celia 1. Following that, select Agree, and then click on Settings here. Now you can tap on Input and click on this switcher next to autocorrection to switch it off or on. If you want to do that later on, you can also simply launch Celia, click on click on this icon at the top left corner, select Settings over here, then tap on Input and click on Autocorrection. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!